Hello again, welcome to another episode 947 of the carbon hood scoop thing. We've actually made significant progress. I have with me what my wife now refers to as the birthday cake, because she reckons it looks like a cake. 3 layers of fiberglass, lots of epoxy, it's gel coated in green underneath, and I've gone round the outside and added this extra tape and another shot of epoxy so that I have a working lip for removing the mould and working with it later on. I also have more paintbrushes because I'm down to my last 6 paintbrushes, and in these current dire economic times of slow deliveries and no Amazon Prime, you have to order things before you need them. So there's another, oh, it's not 12, it's 10 paintbrushes, but still more than I need, which means it's exactly what I need. I'm going to take this thing off the mould, and I expect it will make some great noises when I do that, so I'll bring the camera closer. Here we go, it's ASMR. Let's make sure my light is in the right place. I'm going to see if I can just lift it off without using any sticks or anything, because it's well waxed. Let me first of all take the bird's nest off the bottom. Ugh. Quickly unscrew my screws. They were just to hold the thing in place on the black plastic, stop it moving around while I was doing the first moulding, and I reckon this should be good to go. Good noises so far. There's a couple of crispy bits at the front. Watching out for splinters this time, because I really don't want any more splinters. Yes, this wax is doing it. And you can see here where the plasticine has done its job, and it has stopped the epoxy and the gel coat from sneaking through underneath the board. There's one little place where it tried to do it there, but for the most part we are sneak free, and actually a lot of this plasticine can be reused, provided it's clean enough. Let's see if I can demold this. You see this? Another splinter. Epoxy sucks. Right, how the hell am I going to get this out of here? I don't know is the answer. Right, plasticine is removed. What I really need is like a big handle in it so that I can just go and pop it right out. Because I don't know how I'm going to like break this free. I might have to cut this top edge so that I can get some tools under it or something. Right, I'll tidy up the edges. That'll make it easier. I'm less likely to get splinters as well.
15 minutes later.
Well, this mould is so hard I can't flex, or like no amount of pushing or levering or anything is gonna get this out of there. And I don't want to start jabbing tools down the side of it, because I need the green gel coat layer to come off intact, because that's my finishing surface. I don't really know what to do here. I mean, I could just fully commit to the project and just cut the foam out and hope that it's okay. I'm going to have to, because if I can't get this out soon, then it's going to stay in there forever anyway. I'm going to have to cut it out. Then I hope there's a usable mould at the bottom of it. Ugh.
Thousands of tears later.
Yep, it's happening. I'm just going to cut chunks of this foam out and hope this isn't the end of the project, because there's no other way. It's so strong. Like, it's got, like, this is me trying with all of my force to bend it, and it won't bend. It's so strong. So I can't flex the mould to let the polyester fall out, nor can I jam anything under it to pop it out, because I want this curved edge on the top. I want that intact. So I think I'm just going to have to cut some bits out. Oh well, in for a penny. None of this is good. I'm hot, I'm sticky, I've slashed my thumb open. Look, I'm not enjoying myself anymore. This is a stupid idea. Too much. This sucks so much. Can't get a grip. It's going off in pieces. It's a mess. That's what it is. Close. Like, I think if I can get my fingers behind that and I can pull it, then I could lift the rest of it out. But I've heard some cracking noises along this edge here, so I'm just going to have to be extra careful with flexing it that way. I don't really need this edge because it's going to be cut out, but I don't want to destroy it. So I'm going to try and get more of these little sticks in behind it. More sticks, but without ruining the surface of the green gel coat. I mean, it's a harder coat, that's why I bought the harder stuff, because I figured this would be a bit of a rough process. I need to not let the rage build too much, because I don't want to just smash it. Like, I don't want to destroy it. Ah, there we go, that felt good. Behold, my destroyed hood scoop thing. That is, that's wrecked. Oh. Right, I'll get my sticks out. I think we're okay. There's a little rough texture there. That part has suffered from the demoulding, so I might have to cut the scoop wide of that, or I don't know, do some magic to repair it. Maybe a second layer of gel would have been better, or mesh in the gel. Like, I don't know if that is a thing, but for the most part this looks like I can sand it up and it'll be good. I think I need to buy an angle grinder.
Moments later.
Angle grinder. We're set. Does anyone know how angle grinder discs work? Because I sure don't. So our bathtub looks to be in good order. Move these little wooden sticks and stuff out of the way. Then I've done the thing. And I'm going to have to tidy up again. One mould, and it's respectable. Right, I'll use my new angle grinder, which I've now assembled, and I will do some cutty to make it a useful mould. Here's a crazy idea. I'm going to draw a line so that I have a consistent height. What a mental idea that is. We are definitely generating some dust now. Face mask. I said it before and I'll say it again. Everything that I own is covered in dust. Look at all of that. All of my tools, measuring tape, my wall, my fridge. Everything is covered in dust. However, that, I'm sure you will agree, that is a hood scoop mould. I'm sure you will agree. Now, I don't believe that it is exactly symmetrical. Let me put it against this wall here. There's what that side looks like. Here's it. the other side looks like. I'm not convinced it's exactly symmetrical, but handmade, hand moulded, apart from power tools, hood scoop template. Okay, now I'm chuffed to bits. You can't tell how big my grin is because I've got this stupid mask on, but look at these eyes. These are the eyes of a man who's very happy. Check this out. Look at the size difference between those two. Oh my goodness. It is enormous. Oh, I had forgotten just how much of a size difference there is between these two scoops. Yes, yes, now we are talking. That is more than double. I'm sure if I take a freeze frame of this, I can do like area maths and figure out how much larger the intake area is. That is scandalous how much larger that is. That is the business. Right, I'm going to finish up this video here. I'm going to finish on this high. It's all become worth it. I've hit some lows in this one, but the mould is out. It's not destroyed. It'll just need a little sanding and filling, but I could probably get carbon laid down in that tomorrow. And it's massive. This is amazing. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Questions, comments, likes in the boxes down below. This is awesome. This is actually going to work. This is tremendous. Right, take care, everybody. Look after yourselves. Make good decisions, and I'll see you again in the next video. Right, goodbye.